People often ask us, when should I talk to the contractor?
And the answer is after you talk to your architect. Us.
So most people think that they should talk to the contractor at the very early stages of the project. And if you do that, there's 3 key things that could come up.
One is that the project is not feasible for you. 2 is that there might be zoning issues that you don't even find out about until you're ready to start construction.
And the 3rd thing is that you might waste time and not even actually get the best possible version of what your project could be. So if you talk to us first, then you get clarity right at the onset of the project.
So you know whether or not the project is feasible for you. Is it the right size and scope? Is there no need for a variance because the zoning issues are fine? Do you need to scale back the project so that you can fit it in your budget?
So the answer to when you should talk to the contractor is really anytime during the project, but after you've talked to us and after you have clarity on those 3 key things. So really, you could talk to him or her at any of those times.
So we are going to be making more videos in the future, and some of them will be more about contractor, how to select a contractor, what kind of questions to ask, how to make sure that it's a good fit for you, for your project.
So we won't talk more about that now. And the next step for you to take is to call us and set up an appointment.
And remember, when you work with us, you are building with hope and faith.